Hi friends, in today's video I will be doing a quick review and unboxing of GoPro Hero 8 Black. Come, let's get started. I recently got a GoPro Hero 8 Black Chinese New Year bundle edition here in Singapore. This cost me about 599 Singapore dollars. This special bundle comes with a GoPro Hero 8 Black, extra battery, GoPro bag and a 3-way tripod. In the box, you get a USB Type-A to C cable, a sticky mount and a battery. Hero 8 has some of the features such as Hypersmooth 2.0, Time Wrap 2.0, Live Burst Photos, improved HDR, better low light image processing and few more. Friends, if you like this video, please give it a like and please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching iTech.